Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Today it's me, Pierre Farrugia, and today I'm going to review this Simmons 50 liter Easy Fit from Decathlon. Till now, I have been trekking in this rough terrain. It was very comfortable, and today I packed it really heavy to try how it feels in the real life. I have been trying it out this month, so I have a fairly good opinion about this, but let me start showing you all the features about this, and I will leave you the best feature at the end. One of the main features of this backpack, the most that I like, is that it has 3 openings. One can detach the straps here, open the brain here, pull the shock cord, and like this you have a traditional backpack that you can pull things out from top. Then we have the second feature. I will show you down here. I have a zipper I can open, and from here I can access my sleeping bag. But the best feature of this backpack is that it has a zipper on here. So if I need something from here, let's say I only need the 10, I don't have to take everything out as you see me doing in the vlogs, but I can open just in the middle here and can access the power bank, I can access the tent, I can access everything I need, electronics, everything here. And to put everything away, I can just close it up. Another good thing of this backpack is if I lay it down on the ground like this, I can just open the zipper in the middle and can access whatever I like. So I can close this one up again. And another good feature is I can open here, here I have a button, you unclip like this, you open the zipper, and like this you can lay everything like this, and you take whatever is needed. No need to put everything on the ground as I usually do when you have access from only the top. So like this I can just close it down, close this one, and like this I can continue on. This is the main feature of this backpack, which I really like. Let's start from top to the bottom. In the top you have the shock cord where you can store the sit pad as I had when I was coming here. You can put a light jacket because it's adjustable, you can open, you have space, you can put your jacket here and until you need it. I store the sit pad because wherever I can stop and sit, I just get it out and it's good. On the side here we have zippers, and we can open the brain of the backpack. The brain of the backpack, the size is very big. I have my small drone, I have the controller, I have cameras, electronics, and I have everything stored inside here. Now if you undo the buckles in the front like this, I can open the brain like this. Here, if I open here, one can find that it has the rain cover, and it's not normal that all backpack has a rain cover. I also use this space here to put my keys and my wallet, and like this you can close it down. It's not detachable, but it's fairly large, and if you want to close it, you just place it like this. Here we have the buckles, you clip them in and you're good to go. If I open here and put the brain back, then we have the front opening, it's top opening like most backpacks. We have the clip here, so no stress is done on the zipper, so it's really stronger as you can see. And then if I undo it, I can open the backpack like this, and I have everywhere, I can access everywhere. And now I can close it back. In the back here which you cannot see. Here I have a hydration sleeve where I can put my hydration bladder, which is not included. I can pass the pipe for the hydration and have the hydration back here. If you want to close, you just pull this shock cord like this, and then to close you can put this one in and close it up. If we turn the backpack to the side here, you can find two gear loops where normally we fit our trekking poles. Then if we go to the side here, we have two pockets. We have one pocket, this one, which I put my first aid kit, which is readily available here, and I can even tighten it up not to lose it. Fine. Here one can find a bottle holder that you can put the water in. It's shaped so one can just put it in and it will stay in. Another good thing here, on this side we have a side pocket. The side pocket here, as you can see, I can open with one hand. I have my head torch from Decathlon as well, and I have some wipes, and it's very accessible. Sometimes I even put my mobile or a very small power bank. On the other side I have two compression straps which I can compress so the backpack is smaller and open them to have more space. And I have two. I can open them both, and this one I can remove. Then I have a zipper here which I can open like this, and here is a very generous pocket. I can fit a bottle of water here. Now I have my equipment, and this one, it closes, you don't even know about it, and then you can tie it down so nothing moves around, and like this everything is very secure, like this. One of the biggest headaches when buying a backpack is finding your right size, because many times you have to calculate the vertebrae and the height, and every person is different. This one I can wear it, then I can give it to Sharon and she can adjust it to her size. Mela, if you look here, we have two orange straps. When we pull this one, we're going to adjust the shoulder straps up and down until they fit you perfectly. When you will be pulling on the straps here, which will get the shoulder straps up and down until you reach the perfect fit. So when you put this on, first you put the belt on your hip bone. Then you adjust the straps that the height is good. Then on the side here we have load lifters. You can pull them so the weight goes to your back, which I will show you, and then fasten your sternum strap. And like this you have the perfect fit every time. But now let me show you how I do it. Let's put my backpack on my shoulders. I will grab it from here and I will put it on my back. It's the first thing I will do. I will grab the waist strap and I close it, grab the sides here and tighten and check that it's sitting on my hip. Here I have my hip bones, although I have a lot of fat, but that's me. And then what you do, you grab the orange straps and you tie them up until you feel your backpack is getting good on your shoulders. When you're happy with this, you can close the chest strap like this. So I pull this, then everything is feeling good. The last thing I should do is find the load lifters here, tighten up both sides so it fits close to my body. And like this, I am very comfortable, nothing moves around, and it's very good. And this can fit anybody. And let me show you how sexy this backpack looks. And carrying a lot of weight, as I did today, I have a lot of camera, I have full camping gear. I have been trekking this a little bit tough terrain, and it was fairly perfect, yeah? Since I'm getting old, I have notes. Mela, this is the Decathlon Forclaz Trek 150 liter backpack, easy fit, and you know why it's easy fit, and it's really easy fit, and it's really cool as well. The price is just 75 euros, which is really good price for what you're getting. I have the same from another top brand, goes to 150 euros, and the weight is 1.6 kilos. The other one that I have, it's around 2 kilos, which are close, but the price is very far away. Has a lot of good features. The zippers are YKK. Remember, have multiple pockets. Another good feature is the zipper from top to bottom at the back. It also has female and male versions, and also have a 70 liter. This is the 50 liter. If I'm not mistaken, there's even a smaller one. And I will be trying out this one in the coming months. To say everything, this backpack was sent to me for free, but I didn't sign anything that tells me what to do, what I can publish, and what are my views. So this is my own honest opinion, but it's good like this, so you know that I'm telling the truth. As you know, Decathlon has been surprising me a lot lately. Remember, one of my best tents, my favorite tent is the Decathlon Fresh&Black, but I have another one to try, yeah? This is all for today. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye, yeah?